Installation guidance for a wooden casement door. Step 1. Door frame installation. Align the door frame and fix it with screws and nails. Cut appropriate slots for door casings in the door frame. Fix the door frame to the door opening and ensure it is fixed neatly with wooden blocks around. Use a laser level to check if the door frame is level. Fix the door frame to the wall with rivets. Apply sealing strips around the door frame. Step 2. Hinge installation. Fix one side of the hinge with screws. Align the door panel with the door frame and fix the other side of the hinge with screws. Step 3. Door frame edging. Inject foam into the gap between the door frame and the wall. Cut appropriate door casings according to the height and width of the door frame. Apply foam adhesive to the back of the door casings and fix them onto the door frame. Step 4. Smart lock installation. Measure and mark the lock installation location on the door panel. Slot at the marked location and drill holes. Trim the slot to fit the lock body. Install the lock body. Install the lock cylinder firmly. Install one side of the handle. Install the handle on the other side and connect the wires properly. Fix the handle and put in the battery. Step 5. Lock strike plate installation. Measure and locate the position of the strike plate on the door frame. Use a drill to make slots and trim them to the appropriate size. Install the strike plate and fix it with screws. Rotate the key to test if the lock system works properly. Installation completed.